In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ElevenLabs account. Quick setup guide. By the end, you'll have your account ready and be able to access their text-to-speech tools in just a few minutes. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ElevenLabs. You're looking for the official site, which is hosted at ElevenLabs.io. On the results page, choose the listing that takes you to the free text-to-speech and AI voice generator page. This is the main landing page for their voice features, and it's a reliable doorway into the account creation flow. Once you're on the site, look for the sign up button, typically at the top right. Click that to begin creating your account. You'll see a simple form asking for your email address. Enter an email you actively use and can access right away, since you'll need it for verification. Double check for typos before you continue. A small mistake here can prevent you from receiving the verification link. Next, create your password. Choose something strong and unique to your ElevenLabs account, ideally a mix of characters that you haven't used on other sites. A password manager can help you generate and store one securely. Avoid including personal details that are easy to guess. When you're ready, click the sign up button to submit your details. Depending on your browser, you might be asked to complete a quick security check. Just follow the prompts. Now switch to your email inbox. ElevenLabs will send a verification message to the address you provided. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. You can also search your inbox for the service name if your email is cluttered. Open the message and click the verification link inside. That link confirms your email and takes you back to the site to complete the process. After verifying, you'll be guided to log in with your new account. Enter the same email and the password you just created and sign in. You should now be inside your account dashboard ready to explore the text-to-speech tools. If something doesn't load immediately, give the page a quick refresh. That's it. You searched for the official site, opened the text-to-speech page, clicked sign up, added your email and a secure password, verified your inbox, and logged in. You're all set to start experimenting with voices and generating audio right away. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with ElevenLabs.